Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello YouTube, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire, and today I am at the grand launch of Motorola G6 variants. G6 means generation 6. In generation 6, Motorola has launched two variants. One is G6 and the other one is G6 Play. So in this video we'll see the first look of the G6 Play. Hello YouTube, so this is the all new Moto G6 Play in front of you guys. It has a nice glass contoured back, very nicely premium looking phone. The screen is 5.7 inch full HD plus IPS display, 18:9 aspect ratio, Max Vision display what we call. And along with that, it is, as it's a 5.7 inch screen size, it fits good in hand. Colors are nice, vibrant, warm. Touch response is decent. Viewing angles nice and sharp. If we talk about the hardware, on the top we have the earpiece and an 8 megapixel front camera, and there's nothing on this bezel. The shortcut keys are inside the screen here. And on the right side we have the power button and the volume rocker. Power button has this textured feel which is nice, and on the top have this mic and the 3.5mm Oreo jack. Bottom we have this charging port, which is a micro USB port, and mouthpiece. We check the on the left side there's a SIM tray slot. It's a non-hybrid SIM tray slot, so it has a dual nano SIM setup as well as a dedicated SD card place, which can be expandable up to 128 GB. Let's check these settings. Go to the hardware information. So it says 3 GB plus 32 GB combination of RAM and ROM. Display pixels are 1440 into 720. And the front camera is 8 megapixel, rear camera is a single camera with 13 megapixel. It runs on Android version 8.0. So and also it has a Snapdragon Qualcomm processor, 427 or 430 most probably. It has a 1.4 gigahertz octa-core processor and Adreno 308 GPU. Let's run through the camera specs. The back camera is 13 megapixel shooter, single shooter. Let's see the setup. Very nicely placed sundial formation. Single camera with flash, and fingerprint sensor is at the back. And see the camera. Shutter response is nice. It has HDR flash timer and other options here, so you can do a lot of setting. In the pro mode, it has the slider formation as well. Front camera is 8 megapixel shooter, capturing enough light, and options are HDR, flash, face beauty, timer. Along with that, these are the modes. Let's run through some of the pictures I just clicked here at the launch event. So these are the pictures. So pictures are good. Also, not to forget about, it has a very good massive 4000 mAh battery which runs up to 32 hours, and it has turbocharging as well. So overall the phone looks pretty nice and decent in this affordable price range. So this was the first look of the Moto G6 Play here. It has been launched at a price range of 11,999. It will be exclusively available on Flipkart from midnight, that is 4th of June midnight. This is it for this video. We'll be back soon with another one. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.